Welcome to Finance Architects. Why the sting of losing $100 feels far worse than the joy of gaining the same amount. Or why we tend to place a higher value on things we own compared to those we do not. Welcome to the world of prospect theory, a concept that shines a light on the fascinating and at times perplexing world of financial decision-making. Developed by psychologists Daniel Kahneman and Amos Tversky in 1979, prospect theory is a behavioral economic theory that describes how people decide between alternatives that involve risk and uncertainty. It provides a framework to understand how we weigh potential losses and gains in a decision-making situation. At the heart of prospect theory is the concept of loss aversion. The theory suggests that losses loom larger than gains, meaning we feel the pain of loss more acutely than the joy of an equivalent gain. Yes, you heard it right. Losing $100 feels about twice as painful as the pleasure derived from gaining $100. This asymmetry between the power of positive and negative expectations or experiences is a cornerstone of prospect theory. Another key concept presented by prospect theory is the endowment effect. This is our innate tendency to value items more when we own them. The old saying, "One man's trash is another man's treasure," takes on a whole new meaning here. We might demand a higher price for a stock we own, for example, than we would be willing to pay if we didn't already own it. Now, you might be thinking, what's the big deal? But these biases can significantly impact our financial decisions, from how we save and spend to how we invest in stocks or real estate. In summary, prospect theory helps us understand why and how people make decisions involving risk. It brings to light the fact that we are not always rational beings, especially when it comes to money and finance. Loss aversion and the endowment effect are two key concepts that underline our inconsistent and often biased decision-making behavior. So, the next time you're faced with a financial decision, remember, it's not just about the numbers. It's about understanding your biases, your fears of losses, and your perceptions of gains. And that, my friends, is the power of prospect theory.